Hello everyone. Welcome back to Alphazin Tech. If you're searching for a fresher IT job in software development, artificial intelligence, Python, or automation, then today's update is definitely worth watching because Accenture has released 2 hiring opportunities for freshers in Bengaluru. Make sure you stay till the end because I'll explain who can apply, what skills are required, and which role is more suitable depending on your career goals. Let's begin. The first opening is AI/ML Computational Science Associate. This role is for candidates interested in artificial intelligence, machine learning, Python development, cloud technologies, and modern software engineering. According to the official notification, you'll work on developing Python applications, backend services, automation solutions, REST APIs, data processing, and AI-based technologies. You'll also gain exposure to cloud platforms and real-world software development practices while working with experienced engineering teams. The second opening is Automation Eng New Associate. This role focuses on automation in enterprise applications, application maintenance, incident management, troubleshooting, and process automation. You'll work with automation technologies while supporting enterprise systems used by global clients. Now, before moving further, let's talk about the eligibility because many candidates are waiting for this part. For the AI/ML Computational Science Associate role, candidates with BTech, MCA, and other qualifications mentioned in the official notification are eligible to apply. For the Automation Eng New Associate role, B and related engineering graduates mentioned by Accenture can apply. If you're a fresher looking for your first IT job, these opportunities are definitely worth checking. Now let's discuss the skills. For the AI/ML role, Accenture is looking for candidates with knowledge of Python programming, object-oriented programming, data structures and algorithms, SQL, REST APIs, Git, software development lifecycle, and exposure to technologies like Django, Flask, FastAPI, Pandas, NumPy, cloud platforms, and AI or machine learning concepts. Don't worry if you haven't worked professionally. Academic projects, internships, certifications, or personal projects can also strengthen your profile. For the automation role, having knowledge of automation anywhere, MySQL, incident management, troubleshooting, analytical thinking, and communication skills will be beneficial. One important thing to remember is that both positions are located in Bengaluru, so candidates should be comfortable with that location. If you're preparing for software development interviews, AI jobs, Python developer roles, automation engineer positions, or GenAI opportunities, applying for these openings can significantly improve your chances of entering the IT industry. My suggestion is simple. Don't wait until the last moment. Update your resume, apply through the official Accenture Careers portal, and keep checking your email regularly because assessments and interview invitations are usually sent to shortlisted candidates. The official application links for both openings are available in the description below along with our complete hiring playlist, where I regularly post the latest of campus drives, GenAI jobs, assessment mail updates, and mass hiring opportunities. If this update helped you, comment applied after submitting your application. Also let me know which role you're applying for, AI/ML Computational Science Associate or Automation Eng New Associate. If you don't want to miss future updates from companies like Amazon, Infosys, Accenture, Cisco, IBM, Cognizant, Wipro, HCL Tech, Virtusa, and many more, subscribe to Alphazin Tech and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next hiring update. Good luck with your applications.